All right, let's keep going here. There's a nice bit of breeze. Again, it's sort of bright and sunny today. It's supposed to be cooler, but it doesn't feel cooler. It still feels warm. The breeze has kind of got a little bit of a bite to it, but it's not bad. Okay, let's zip you ahead a bit here until we get to Parmacheene. Okay, so right here is the start of the siding. Just up here is the start of the siding here at Parmacheene Station. So Parmacheene was one of the obviously stops along the line. Really nothing here other than just the, you can see it starts to widen out a bit, just the siding. Not sure on the origin of the name. I want to say it's, if I had to guess, I would say it's something indigenous, but I'm not quite sure. Lots of telegraph pole over there. Let's go divert ourselves. Let's go look. I think I saw green on there. So telegraph poles, anytime you see anything green, it's a rarity. Oh yeah. Ooh, look. Lots of green. Those ain't moving. Those are Brookfields. You can see a whole bunch of Dominion 42s and some more Brookfields. And then even got, oh, that's welded on there. This is, it's got a crack in it. This is a Hemingway, a little one. 16 or 12 on the side peg there. Those are very rare. You don't see those a lot. But again, just to see green ones is quite unusual. Huh. See, in the springtime you can actually see things. I wish I had an eye for finding important things, not telegraph poles and old abandoned railway junk. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead to where the actual station is at Parmacheene, and then we'll sort of talk a little bit about it. Still hurts to grip the handlebar with my hand here. My war wound from today. So here you can see telegraph pole right beside the grade. Here you can see the siding really starting to widen out here. So there you can see the siding itself. Again, it's not fun pulling this trailer. It's like an anchor. And when you hit some soft ballast, make sure the dog's still with us. All right, I'm going to scoot us ahead a little bit until we get to until we actually get where the station, quote unquote, would have been. And here you can see the siding. So here, hopefully you can see it on the camera. You can see where the ties were. You can see where they were pulled out. With all the indentations. Up ahead, you're going to see more of them, and you'll actually see some. Ties. The heck did I mark on my GPS here? Telegraph pole. Telegraph pole in there. So here you can see how much the grade has grown in, how much it's encroaching. It's like really, really bad. It also tells you how long it's been since they've used that siding, judging by the size of the trees in there. And this is bad. Okay, let's hold up here where this telegraph pole is. Okay, let's talk a little bit about Parmacheene. Get my cheater notes out here. Okay, so again, Parmacheene was one of the original stations on the line. Just a whistle stop. I don't even know if it was a whistle stop because there's really nothing around here. I'll talk about that in a second. So the siding here was removed from service somewhere between 1973 and 1976. And then it was converted into a spur. I don't know how long that spur was used for, but it appears in timetables as they name it KI 52. That's the name for the spur. So all around here is basically, this is all First Nation territory. So this line was kind of built right through a reserve that belongs to the Red Rock Band. There's some of their land is here on the west side of Lake Helen. Lake Helen is formed by Lake Nipigon. It kind of widens out, and then and again, there's nothing really around here. There's nobody that kind of lives here, maybe traditionally in the past, but basically where everybody lives now is on the east side of the of Lake Helen, where the actually community is. Okay, let's hold up here for a second and then we'll resume our journey.